What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make a beef and vegetable soup. So, cheers and let's cook. We're gonna start by browning our meat. So I got a big pot here heating up. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil to that. Let that oil heat up. Our oil's nice and hot, so now I'm gonna brown 2 pounds of stew meat. But I'm going to do that in batches so I don't overcrowd my pan. We'll go in with about half of that. Just season that with some salt and some pepper. I'm going to brown that up and then just repeat that process. Transfer that to a plate with a paper towel once it's browned. Meat's all browned up, so now I'm going to go in with another tablespoon of olive oil. To that, I'm going to add 3 carrots I cut into half moons, 3 stalks of celery, just sliced up, and 1½ onions diced, as well as 5 cloves of garlic minced. We'll just saute that until those vegetables start to soften up. Our mirepoix and garlic are looking good. They're just starting to get translucent. Now, I'm going in with 10 cups of beef stock, as well as 28 ounces of diced tomatoes with juice. I'm going to go in with about 20 sprigs of thyme, 15-20 sprigs of thyme. I tied those together just so it'll be easier to pull the stems out, and 2 bay leaves. Also going to go back in with my beef. Now I'm going to bring that back to a simmer, let that cook for about 45 minutes. That is simmered away, so now I'm going to go in with 1 pound of red potatoes that I just cut into bite-sized pieces, as well as 12 ounces of green beans cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of peas, and 1 cup of corn. I'm gonna season that with some salt and pepper. And we'll just let that keep simmering until those potatoes are nice and tender. About 20 minutes. Our 20 minutes is up and our beef and our potatoes are nice and tender. I just tasted it and our salt is on point, but this is where you'd want to adjust your seasoning. Other than that, we are ready to go. We got a super hearty, super delicious bowl of beef and vegetable soup here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. You can just click that little picture of me in the corner. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.